Hi guys, this is Khushbu and welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. The next rule in method overriding is related to synchronized keyword. Now, remember guys, synchronized method or synchronized keyword has no effect on method overriding. Synchronized keyword is related to acquiring and releasing of the locks, and thus they do not affect overriding. You can have a synchronized method that is overriding a non-synchronized method and vice versa. So let's quickly see an example related to this. This is my parent class that has methods that are overridden by my child classes. So over here, let's see if I am having this as synchronized, would that give an error to me in my dog class or not? And it works perfectly fine. Now let's make this method as synchronized and see whether it is giving me an error in my parent class method, and it does not. So you can say that it does not have any effect on method overriding. It's just used for locking the resources and to release the lock on that particular method. So synchronization and method overriding are two different things which are unrelated. So that's it for this rule guys. I hope you liked it and stay tuned.